Hi everyone, my name is Matt Wintz and I'm a meteorologist for Severe Weather Now. I appreciate you checking out this video. Hit subscribe if you'd like to keep up to date on the latest severe weather information across the United States. The whole point of Severe Weather Now is to give you up-to-date information from a meteorologist without the hype that we tend to get. I don't care how many clicks we get or anything like that. It's all about keeping you safe and informed in an easy to understand way with a calm tone to it, right? That's what we're all about. So we appreciate you checking us out. Let's get started. This week we have some active weather expected, especially Tuesday night into Wednesday. So here's the latest on that. All right, let's start with the big picture across the country. This is kind of the way I like to start things out so you get all the pieces of the puzzle, and then we'll go into the details of that. But big system off the coast of California right now. This is bringing all sorts of snow to the Sierra Nevadas. We've also got a piece of energy off to the north. These are going to eventually traverse over the Rockies, and we'll see an area of energy eject out into the plains, and that is where a severe weather threat comes from. You can see as we go through time, this is Monday into Tuesday. Here comes our system now getting together. Area low pressure north of Minnesota. There'll be another one developing areas of southern Minnesota as well, and this will collect with a cold front. That will charge southeast, which is kind of a weird direction. We tend to get some decent shear off of thunderstorms that produce along warm front or cold fronts that are heading southeast. So this one will be interesting to watch. Again, Tuesday we're fine. There'll be some shower and thunderstorm activity out ahead of it, but you can see as we go on into Tuesday night, Wednesday, it's this stuff right here. We're targeting Illinois, Indiana, southern Ohio, and then especially as you get into Kentucky, northern Tennessee, and Virginia, I think at night. That's the area that we'll be watching. So let's go into the details now. This is the latest NAM. And this is obviously early in the ball game because this is the latter half of our forecast here, about 80 to 84 hours. But you can see as we go through time, this is Monday. Yeah, some shower and thunderstorm activity in Illinois, Indiana. That shouldn't be much of a factor. It's once we get into Tuesday night, you can see how we go through time, instability building, and then it's this down here, down towards the south, areas of southern Indiana, Ohio, Illinois, and then getting into Kentucky. We'll have to watch some of those storms. Again, decent shear with those, so there's some twisting of winds with height, and the timing not too favorable because it'll be Tuesday evening, Tuesday night, but we'll have to watch some of those as they get going. There'll be plenty of energy available. This is CAPE. This is how much energy or juju the atmosphere has. There'll be plenty of that available during the day on Tuesday, and then as we go through time into Tuesday night, it'll be fading because we've lost that daytime heating. This is still plenty though. Anytime you get over 1,500 joules per kilogram, we're talking some pretty decent amounts of energy, and that will be enough for sure. And then the final thing I want to look at here, this is one more look at the CAPE or the energy. You can see a pretty decent amount that those storms will be tapping into as we go forward. But the final thing I want to look at, obviously Storm Prediction Center, they highlight days in advance severe weather threats, and I totally agree with this. May even move it a little bit further south, but you can see they've got a slight risk for severe weather for that Ohio Valley area heading down. That includes Indianapolis, Cincinnati. I would even include Louisville down towards the south, in areas of southern Kentucky as well. Lexington, you're in that. So that's the zone we'll be watching. And again, that's Tuesday night. So we still have another day or two to track this, and we'll keep you updated right here on Severe Weather Now. Thanks for checking us out.